Welcome back to Better Ace with your host, Chef Divine. Let's get your string beans, cause today we are cooking a steak with macaroni and cheese and a potato on the side. Get these onions into this frying pan with your peppers and listen to the sizzling sensation. Let us fry these onions with these peppers. Now I want you to get your baked potatoes, slice them up, and put them into the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Like so. Now, I want you to get ready to stir up these string beans. Put your seasoning to it. Put your seasoning into it. And stir it up. Stir it up. That's your string beans. And clean the steak. Season the steak. And cook it to well done. This is how to cook a perfect steak. Now, plate this up and serve your family this lovely meal that they will enjoy. Thanks for choosing #BetterAce. Well, you better have ate something great like a steak and a potato with some macaroni and cheese on the side. Thanks for joining me on Sundays at 11:45. Like, share, and